In the ever-evolving world of dentistry, innovative technologies continue to shape the landscape of oral healthcare. Among the groundbreaking advancements, 3D printing stands out as a game-changer in the field of dental implants. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the cutting-edge technology of 3D printing in dentistry, witnessing how it's revolutionizing dental implant procedures and redefining the future of oral healthcare. Unveiling the potential of 3D printing. The advent of 3D printing in dentistry has brought a wave of excitement and possibilities. By leveraging this technology, dental professionals can now create intricate and custom-made dental implants with unparalleled precision. Traditional manufacturing methods often resulted in generic implants that required extensive adjustments during surgeries. However, 3D printing enables us to craft implants that are perfectly tailored to each patient's unique dental anatomy, ensuring optimal fit and functionality. The revolution in dental implant design. The design process is at the heart of 3D printing's impact on dental implants. Advanced software applications allow dentists and technicians to design implants with utmost precision and efficiency. From the initial scan of the patient's oral cavity to the final virtual model, every step is carefully planned and executed to guarantee a seamless integration between the implant and the surrounding tissues. Enhanced materials for superior implants. Not only does 3D printing revolutionize the design process, but it also introduces an array of cutting-edge materials specifically tailored for dental implants. High-performance polymers and biocompatible metals, such as titanium alloys, are used in the printing process. These materials not only boast exceptional mechanical strength but also encourage osseointegration, the process where the implant fuses seamlessly with the jawbone, providing long-term stability and durability. Streamlining the implantation procedure. One of the most significant benefits of 3D printing in dentistry is the optimization of the implantation procedure. Traditional surgeries often involved considerable preparation and multiple visits, which could be daunting for patients. With 3D printing, the entire process becomes more streamlined. Dental professionals can now perform virtual simulations, aiding in precise preoperative planning and reducing the duration of the surgery. This not only minimizes patient discomfort but also enhances the overall success rate of the procedure. The human touch in 3D printing. While 3D printing has undoubtedly brought about a technological revolution, the human touch remains an indispensable aspect of dental care. Dentists and technicians work closely with patients to understand their unique needs and preferences. The technology acts as a powerful ally in materializing the dentist's vision, ensuring that every patient receives a personalized treatment plan. As we conclude our exploration of 3D printing in dentistry and its transformative impact on dental implants, it becomes evident that the future of oral healthcare is set to be profoundly enhanced by this groundbreaking technology. With its ability to create customized, durable, and aesthetically pleasing dental implants, 3D printing stands poised to improve the quality of life for countless patients worldwide. By combining the artistry of dentistry with the precision of 3D printing, the future of dentistry looks brighter than ever before. Embracing innovation, we usher in a new era of dental excellence, one where 3D printing paves the way for a more confident and healthier smile.